Welcome back guys. In this class we are going to learn that how we can use the else clause with try and except block. So in Python you can use the else keyword or else clause to define a block of code to be executed if no error were raised by the try block. So in that case we will use the else condition or else block. So and this is the example which we did in our previous class. So now I just want to modify it a little bit to save our time. I am just defining here a variable which is x and I'm assigning a value 10. So we have already declared this variable and assign its a value which is 10. So now I want to define an else block, else, and which is like print nothing happened. Let's comment these lines and now let's run this. So you can see here it is simply printing 10 and then it is printing nothing happened. So it is actually executing the else clause because no exception will be generated. We have already defined our variable over here. So this is how we can simply use here the else clause, and this is the simplest example I can ever give you. So I hope you will try it by yourself. So that's it for now. See you in the next lecture.